Yeah, they're running off somebody homeless or something. You're on our radar, she says.
All right, we'll check back in, but we'll let the district know because they thought it was our property, but now we're here, we know it's the district. All right. You all right? You don't need that? No. All right. Well, you can go back inside. We'll take care of it later, okay? All right. If you can start, let me know.
Oh, is that Tammy?
Oh, where's the space?
Tammy the Tyrant? What'd you say? Did you call me waste of space again? Really? Isn't that against department policy? Huh? Is that treating the public with respect, ma'am? That's not. Now I gotta go back down and file another complaint. Huh? No, not you.
I just thought you lived in the neighborhood.
I hope she's not training you.
He don't live in the neighborhood. No, she ain't training me. I got her.
She don't know where I live. Look at her. Make me some money, Tammy. Come on, say something stupid.
That's not my name.
Tammy the Tyrant Towner? That's not you?
My last name's Tammy.
Oh, you like Tamra? All right, Tammy. Kick rocks.
Said it the right way.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, kick rocks. Bye.
Yep, split dick. All right, I'll follow you guys. See you at the next one. I don't have glasses. Couldn't that just be my complaint? The verbal? Is your camera rolling?
Yeah, it is rolling.
Yeah, can't you just use that?
Yeah. You want it more detailed, or what you told me is fine?
Yeah, just what I told you.
Okay.
That's everything.
Cool.
Okay.
Anything else from me?
So can you repeat what I said though?
Come
So I
on.
know you caught it.
Listen,
I mean the gist of it.
No, you complained about Officer Towner. You said she ran your play. She called you a waste of space.
Twice on two
Twice.
different occasions.
Okay.
One was the 11th and today.
October 11th. Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
And then again today.
All right. Anything else you need from us?
Nope, that'll do it.
Okay.
All right, cool. Thanks,
Cool.
Sanders.
Nice to meet you.
All right, you too. We'll see you out there.
Please back away. I know what
I'm
type
good
of car
wherever
you're
I'm
on
at.
right now.
Yeah.
Back away from their house.
Back away from their home? Is that what you meant to say? Tammy, the Tyrant Towner. There she is. Got any name calling to do today? Or did you learn your lesson?
We need you to back up, please.
I'm good right here. You don't need nothing but skip your next meal, honey. Girl power out here today, huh, Salazar? Ooh, that sun is bright.
I know how y'all go.
Exactly, neighbors that are watching your house.
Yeah, I'm glad. That's what I'm talking about. I even got cameras all around.
All right, y'all get back to doing your thing.
Take care.
Thanks.
All right, no worries.
Thank you.
Yeah, the neighbors just looking out, bro.
Thank you, love.
All right, you good.
Hey, pal, why you passing people in the turn lane back there?
Hey,
I gotta go file a complaint on you.
Okay?
Hey, how come,
William Roy.
and you, Towner, how come you calling people waste of space when your waste has no space? Kick rocks, kick rocks. Get on, get on. Hey, fat lives matter. You go, Towner. You go, girl. You wanna call me some names today, or did you learn your lesson? All right, kick rocks.
See you later, waste of space.
All right, okay. Let's go file another complaint. What'd they run up on you for?
You should tell me.
Have a good day, man. Look at this bitch.
His name's William Roy. Just a waste of space. Just go in your house. We'll deal with him.
Wow, dude. You're in trouble, girl.
How you doing?
You again, Sanders.
Yes, sir.
Well, did you talk to Towner?
I did.
It didn't stick. She did the same damn thing today.
What did she
And
do?
this time, Pal joined in with her.
Tell me what happened.
Same remark. You're a waste of space on Woodhill. And then Pal turns around and is driving away and yells to the house that they're at. I forget what the call was for there. It was real quick. Yells to the house, my personal information. His name's William Rourke. He's from Antioch. He's a waste of space.
Okay.
So I know you think it's funny, but I don't. I'm out there. This is my right to record. And I'll be goddamned if some person who collects my tax dollars is going to run around and insult me, harass me when I'm out filming, and try to intimidate me from filming. Enough's enough. And I mean, I had an interaction with Pal before, and she was great. Okay, that was on the, I don't know, 2-3 days ago. Okay, she should not be. Towner should not be training anybody. Look at this. I mean, these girls are out there running around acting so ratchet. It's unbecoming of a police officer. Okay, then unrelated to even that whole waste of space comment, coming down Leland, Pal's driving. She overtakes a car in the turning lane in a 40-mile-an-hour zone at a good 55 miles an hour. I mean, pulled away. I was doing 40 miles. I was probably doing 45, and she pulled away from me like it was nothing. I mean, I'm sure dash cams will show all that. But she overtook a car in the freaking turning lane, and like the car had to like swerve to keep from getting hit. I mean, she's driving like an idiot out of there.
Did you got that recorded? Too?
I don't have my dash cam, but she's got dash cam, right?
It's only activated if the lights are on.
Right. Yeah, I unfortunately didn't have my dash cam because I pulled my chip out last night.
So what would you like me to do? You want me to talk to them?
No, I want to file another complaint.
Okay.
You know, you talked to her last time, it did no good. So my next move is when's city council meeting here?
It's on Mondays.
Mondays? I'm gonna bring it up to the mayor at city council. Those, I mean, I don't want them to lose their jobs, but they need to correct how they act in public. I mean, it's a fucking embarrassment to you guys. And I don't want you guys embarrassed. I don't want you looking bad.
Thank you.
You know,
appreciate that.
I really don't. I come out, there's several officers in Pittsburg. Wilhite, love that guy. Wilhite's a good dude.
What about me, man?
Yeah, you kind of tried to run me over the car the other day a little bit, but I was leaning on you pretty hard.
That is not true.
Hey, but I will say, man, when somebody's got a head injury like that, I studied to be an EMT. I went to school and then went on my ride-along. I was like, fuck this. I'm not doing this. 14 grand out of my pocket for school and decided, nope, I don't care. I'm not doing this for a living. But you
So
always keep their head still,
You want me
man.
to add what you're telling me today to that previous complaint.
No, I want a new complaint.
Okay.
It's an ongoing thing now, you know? And I don't want to every time be called a waste of space every time I'm out there recording. I have a right to do this.
You're correct.
A constitutionally protected right. And what I found is good cops appreciate us being there. It's another camera, another set of eyes, another witness. Because the camera doesn't lie, you know? Cops do. Cops lie all the time. Citizens lie all the time. The camera never lies.
Do you want to fill out a form, or you want me to?
I'd like to just
like
do.
it?
I don't have glasses, man. I got to get some new glasses. I broke them.
Cool. Anything else?
That's it.
Cool. Well, happy Halloween.
All right. Happy Halloween, Sanders. Hey, thank you.
Hey, man, you gotta get my good side, man. You have my love handle showing. And
Which is your good side?
This side, man. This side.
All right, Sanders.
Take it easy.
You too.